Hi there, welcome back to Gentle Morning Yoga Flow. In today's video, we will be practicing gently over a yoga mat to kickstart our day on a beautiful way. So let's get started. First, sit comfortably in half Sukhasana or full Sukhasana over your yoga mat. Place your hands over your knees or at the heart center. Close your eyes if you haven't already and take some deep inhalation and exhalation. Try to focus on your breathing and just sit still and prioritize having longer exhalations. Take 3 to 5 rounds of longer breath, and when you feel ready, gently open your eyes and make some movement. First, take your hands at the back of your neck, interlock the fingers, and use your arms to support your neck to backward, and then very mindfully come forward. With inhale, you move to the back with a gentle back bend. And with the exhale, you go down for a fold. Again, inhale and then exhale. And this time, try to go as deep as you can in the forward fold. And then stretch your arms to the sides of your body. Come back to the neutral position. And then from here, sit up straight, keeping the spine straight. Place your hands over your shoulder and rotate your shoulder first clockwise, 5 to 10 rounds, very mindfully. And then anti-clockwise. When you exhale, you bring your palms and touch the elbow in the front, and with inhale, bring them back to the side. And then release both the hands. Take your hands over your head by interlocking them. With inhale, give a nice gentle back bend to your spine while stretching the arms, keeping away from the ear, and with exhale, get into a forward fold. Come back to the neutral position. Inhale again, gentle back bend, hands away from the ears. And then exhale to the forward fold. Try to go as deep you can and then release. Now from here, get into all fours. Your hips and knees are in a line and shoulder and palms are in a line. Inhale, look up. Exhale, curl your spine. Keep your feet pointed or tucked in. Inhale, look up. Exhale, curl your spine, chin to chest. And inhale again. And exhale with a curl. Inhale. And then exhale. Inhale, go a deeper inhale here. And exhale with all the possibility. Squeeze out the breath. And then push your hips back to your heels. Use your wrist strength and push your body forward for the weight. And then bring back over your heels. Keep your fingers wide open. Inhale again, go forward. Exhale, bring the hips down to the heel. Inhale again, go forward. And then exhale, bring the hips back to over the heels. Now stretch both the hands first and take the right hand 90 degrees to the left hand for thread the needle. You can keep the hips down or extend it up in the air facing towards the ceiling and hold the thread the needle for up to 5 rounds of longer breath. And then exhale completely and then extend the right hand and fold the left hand to the 90 degree and then let your hips over the heel or up in the facing the ceiling and breathe. Breathe nicely. Extend both the hands right in front of your body. Give a good nice stretch. And then with exhale, bring both the palms over your shoulder blades. And then sit up straight. And now from here, with control, lie down over your belly on the yoga mat. Inhale, keep your elbow and shoulders in a line for a simple back bend. Extend the legs at the back while stretching the feet away at the back. Hold the pose for up to 10 rounds of breath while continuing to feel the stretch in your lower spine. Keep your hips engaged, and then with exhale, release. Now bring the palms next to the shoulder and inhale, lift up your Bhujangasana. And if you feel comfortable, fold one leg at a time while extending the other at the back. Hold there and keep breathing. Stretch it back to the down. Now fold the other one and breathe nicely. Exhale, go down. Give a good nice stretch. Tuck the toes and lift the leg up in the air while having the upper body over the yoga mat. And then release. Now from here, gently come on your knees and with inhale, lift up your knees and get into downward facing dog. You can keep both the feet hip width apart, hands shoulder width apart. Keep your vision at the navel or in between the thumbs and start paddling both the knees one at a time to have a lengthening of the hamstrings. Keep stretching both the legs while looking in between the thumb or at the navel. Continue to breathe. And then hold the downward facing dog for up to 5 rounds of long breaths. Keep the hand fingers widespread to have a better balance and stability. Hold the pose and breathe nicely. And then with exhale, drop your knees down and gently sit up comfortably into a Vajrasana. Now from here, extend both the leg right in front of your body while keeping the toes active, and then have your arms over your shin bone and sit up straight for as long as you can. And then inhale, raise your hands up, and with exhale, fold forward and try to grab the big toes or have the hands over the shin bone while continuing to fold knees if you need to. Keep breathing in the forward fold. Do not curl your spine. And one last exhalation, inhale, hands up, and then exhale, release the hands. Now from here, fold the right foot, keep the right foot next to the left knee, use your left elbow to support your right knee, and right hand at the right side of the back to have a twist. Breathe here, and then with exhale, look forward. Extend the right leg, fold the left foot next to the right knee, use the right elbow to support the left knee, and then twist to the left side with the left palm support. Breathe nicely, and then with exhale, look forward and release the pose. Now extend both the feet as far as you can, little longer than hip width, and then use your hands to place in front of the yoga mat and continue to breathe. Try to be in the pose for as long as you can while comfortably breathing right there. And then with exhale, sit up straight. Now, from here, if possible, sit up straight in Vajrasana. If this feels hard, use any prop to support your knees or underneath your thighs in between your calf muscle. You can sit in any other pose and close your eyes and just focus as I say and breathe nicely. Feel all the changes which just happened through this practice and let your body feel rejuvenated throughout the day to get along to do other stuffs throughout the day. Tell yourself a big thank you for choosing to practice and honor your body. And commit to yourself to practice again tomorrow to have a better day every single day. We keep showing up and continue to breathe and be present with your breath. And whenever you feel ready, make some movement, rub your palms over your face and gather the energy, and you can end your practice right over here. If you have liked anything about this video, then hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And like I always say, keep practicing, and I will see you in the next video. Until next time, bye bye.